In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create two columns in Canva for your designs. Hey guys, today I'll show you how to create two columns in Canva for your designs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean two-column layout, drop in your content, and fine-tune everything so it looks polished and ready to share. First, open Canva in your browser and open the design you want to work on. You can start from a blank canvas or any template. The process is the same. Make sure your page size is set the way you want before you begin, so your columns fit the final format. Next, head to the Elements tab on the left and click Grids. Grids are pre-built layouts that snap your content into place, which saves time and keeps everything aligned. Find the two-column grid, usually it's a simple layout with two equal panels, and drag it onto your design. The grid will automatically fill your page. You can grab the corners to resize it or position it if you're working within margins or a header-footer area. Now it's time to add content. Drag your images straight into each column. They'll snap in and crop to fit the cell. If a photo isn't framed the way you like, double-click it to reposition or zoom inside the cell without moving the grid. For text, add a text box and place it over the column you want. Text sits on top of grids rather than inside them, which is perfect for headings, captions, or callouts. Adjust the size and spacing so your layout breathes. With the grid selected, use the spacing control to increase or decrease the gap between columns. If you need a tighter or looser look, this is the fastest way to dial it in. You can also resize the overall grid to create room for a title or footer, keeping your columns centered on the page. Customize the background colors and fonts to match your brand. Change the page background color for a clean base. If you want different colors behind each column, add a rectangle shape, size it to a column, choose a color, and send it behind your text and images. Update your fonts and text sizes so headings, subheads, and body text are consistent and easy to read. Finally, preview your design to make sure everything aligns. Zoom in to check edges and spacing, switch to full screen preview to see it without distractions, and nudge elements with your arrow keys for precise positioning. And that's it. That's how you create two columns in Canva in 25. Thanks for watching.